So folks, I've discovered, or not discovered, it's been developing for a while. This is where my dishwasher goes. There's my dishwasher over there. Took it out. And this is where it used to sit. And see that marker on the floor? Where I put that marker? That's a soft spot. So now, I got to figure out what the hell is going on. Look at the soft spot. I know what's going on. I got some rotten wood under here. I got a problem that I need to fix. But once I got in here, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, this floor where my dishwasher has been sitting is higher than this regular floor that we've been walking on. And that's not only because it's been pushed down a little bit, but that's because it looks like it's bubbled or ballooning. It looks like there may be a beam under there. I'm gonna have to just get in here with some razor blades and cut this up and see what the heck is going on. So let's do that. Look, folks, remember when I put the countertop on? The new countertop I was telling you about, the pennies I put under there? Well, look, there's the pennies right there. There's some back there that didn't even get in place, but yeah, there's a lot of flex in there I can see. And that piece of wood is totally broke. That wood broke back there. See that? How it broke right there? So I went back and I had to go back beside it and replace it. I've already replaced it. Or fix that. So, all right, let's get into this and let me get you a good camera placement to where, I don't know where the hell to put y'all. I want y'all to be able to see some of this. How to replace the daggone subfloor. Well, this right now is not replacing the subfloor. This is going to be cutting up the flooring that was here previous to what is here. And obviously nobody ever replaced the flooring under the dishwasher because, I mean, you know, it's not really necessary. But the motor of the dishwasher has been sitting right against this carpet, which is not good because I don't think that will allow it to breathe very well. So I'm just going to lay down on the floor the best I can and get up in here and just start trying to cut out some of this old carpet so I can see. I need to get access to the wood. I need to get access under that. So what I want to do is check, make sure nothing's wet. Nothing's been leaking under here since it ain't nothing been leaking under here since I've been put this dishwasher in here. I'll tell you that. Nothing's been leaking there since I did my part. Maybe it leaked beforehand and it's finally just given through. I don't know. So I don't know where to put this damn light. So, oh man, it's hard. It's hard for me, a person that can't bend over, to lay down. I had to lay down on the floor and do this. Yeah, I'm laying on my incision from my abdominal aortic aneurysm repair. What is this? This is like some old, that's some old, what do you call it crap, wallpaper. That's from a long time ago. Wow. Too bad I didn't find no LSD. I'd have liked to have that. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to put this damn light, man. So this light will shine by itself. I ain't gotta hold on to it. Now we're gonna go across here. I got a good razor knife. Hopefully I won't have to score across here too many times to be able to get it to start coming up. Now, I need a hammer. If I can grab it. Folks, it's gonna be a long, drawn out process, but I'll take little clips here and there and show you what I'm doing. That back there, it looks like it's had a lot of water damage at one point, but right now it is dry. You can see there's been water damage over here and back in that corner. Yep, all that's been wet at one point. At some point in life, in somebody's life, this has leaked quite a bit. So, I don't know what stopped me from pushing that back there. Oh, sorry, I'm probably blinding y'all. All right, these wires are live, so I have to be careful about that. Don't zap myself. And that's really, okay. We'll be back. GoPro, stop recording. This is what I found, folks. This floor under here is all uneven. It's it's really warped. And here where my knife sits, that's my soft spot. All right. I have a seam. This is good right here, that I have a seam right next to my soft spot. This seam right here means that there's a beam under there, I hope. But this soft spot, as you can see, these cracks right here in this particle wood, I call it sawdust wood. These cracks on this side of the seam, and there's cracks on this side of the seam. That means I'm gonna have to replace wood on both sides, which I was not expecting to have to do. So, here comes my helper. Hang on, I gotta go, folks. Mom's here. Okay, folks, so my decision is to stop right here. You can see I've drawn on here where the crack is. The wood is screwed up right there, and just after further inspection, I need some help. Okay, because I am working laying on my side or sitting on my butt, and I can't get up and down too easy at all in my condition. I'm not healthy as most people. I have handicaps, so I'm probably not supposed to even be doing this job. What you're seeing in here is old. This is called historic mildew. It's not mold, it's not wet, it's dead, so I ain't gotta worry about that. But I'm gonna have to get a hold of William or find another person that I think is capable of helping me, that can, I can call out measurements to, and we're gonna have to get this done quick, because I don't want this floor to be open to the underneath side of my house out there to the I don't want this open for long. So this got to be done quicker than just one person can do it. To be continued, folks. We'll fix this floor before you know it. All right, I got me an exploratory hole. My joists run this way. All right, I got a joist right here on this X. Let me show you. There's a joist right there on that X, which is going to put me right on the other side of that crack, of course. So that crack is right on the edge of the joist, which, that's normal for it to happen that way. And that line, I don't know if you can see that line, there's another joist in there. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut this section out right here. And I'm going to have to put another joist across here and another joist over here to support this. And there's nothing under here except like another piece of plywood that they've stapled. I don't know if you can't, yeah, you can kind of see it, but it's just not really what it's supposed to be, what it should be. It wasn't built to last this long, man. I'll tell you what, if you're selling trailers in Florida, you don't build them to last forever, because hurricanes happen. We'll be back. Okay, folks, there's the old scab. This was scabbed right here on this seam. There was a scab under it, which should have been a joist that went across here. There should have been another 2x6 going across here to support this seam. There was not. There was a piece of particle board. Okay, what you're seeing here on the top is my original flooring, and that piece right there is the scab that they put to support the flooring. They just put a piece of freaking particle wood between the damn joists, which is not the way to do it. The way to do it is to go ahead and add I'm gonna add a 2x6 under here. I'm gonna add another 2x6 over there to lap on. I'm gonna add another 2x6 over here. I'm gonna box this in with 2x6. So I'm scabbing this with 2x6 so it's done right. And I'm gonna replace the flooring right here, and then the top, the upper flooring is gonna be replaced later. But this is what's going on right here, folks. Yeah. I don't just sit around and do nothing. There's work to be done. So folks, I took my first piece of wood in there, a 2x4, and I didn't realize, but this piece of wood has been outside. It's got carpenter's bees in it. I'm trapping them in here right now. One of them already escaped inside the house, but there's another one in there. He'll come out here a second. Oh my God. I got carpenter bee flying around in the house now. All right, folks, there's that part. I got the patch in there. Thanks for watching. Okay, folks, I got the floor down, and I got some floor leveler. That's that paste that you see on there, so I can level it out. And once that dries, then I got this flooring. This is vinyl plank, I guess you'd call it. It's fake wood. It's just like the hallway. It's gonna match the hallway what them guys did whenever we had the bathroom remodeled. That's what I'm gonna put in here. So that's how you replace a rotten floor in your trailer. Thanks for watching.